Hello, in this tutorial we are going to find out cut length of triangular stirrup in metric. Okay, we are done already in a B.B.S system. So let's get started. This is basically the cross section. It could be beam or the column 300 by 450 mm. Okay, where A is equal to 300 and B is equal to 450. Okay, given data is over here. A is equal to 300, B is equal to 450. Dia we are using for the stirrup is 6 mm and concrete cover is 40 mm we are taking over here, and a hook length we are taking here 10D. Okay, so let's go here and check the cut length formula over here. Cut length formula is basically we have h into 2. Okay, where h is basically this side. Okay, this one and this one as well, this one and this one. So we have two sides, so h into 2 plus a is basically this side. Okay, right from this position up to here. So in triangular portion we will have three sides. Okay, 2h plus a plus hook length. Okay, we have two hooks over here, and then we need to do the bend deductions. Okay, so in order to find out this h, we will use here Pythagoras theorem. Okay, let's suppose this is our right angle triangle. We'll convert it into two parts. Okay, and we will separate this one. If we will find out this h, okay, this h will be equal to this h. Okay, so let's convert it into right angle triangle like this. Okay, and now through Pythagoras theorem we will find out what the h. Now h is equal to x square plus y square. X square, this is x, and this is basically, this vertical is basically y. Okay, so x square plus y square under root, where x is equal to, this x will be equal to the total a divided by 2, and y will be equal to b. Okay, so b is basically right from this position up till here. Now a, small a will be equal to, if we find this small a, large a minus 2 into clear cover minus dia of external stirrup. Okay, this stirrup, and b will be equal to 2 into clear cover again and dia of external stirrup. Okay, at the both ends as well. Next to it, for hook length, it is 2 into 10D. Okay, we have two hooks over here, and the bend deductions for 120 degree, we are going to take here 2.67D. Okay, I have already explained the bend deductions. You can check there as well. And bend deduction for 3D, it is 135 degree. Okay, so let's say put the data over here in order to find out what the cut length. So A, we know it is 300 minus concrete cover. Okay, minus dia of external stirrup. Okay, so it is 208, and B is equal to 450 minus concrete cover and dia of external stirrup. This is 358. Okay, now we will put it in the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so it is x square plus y square, where x is equal to a by 2. So 28 by 2, this is plus y square, it is 358 square. Okay, and h will be equal to 372.80. Now cut length will be equal to 372.80 multiplied by 2. Okay, because h into 2 plus a mean 208 plus hook length 2 into 10D. Okay, minus we need to do the bend deductions at both ends. Okay, and cut length will be equal to 1005.56 mean 1.005 meter. Okay, so this is how we can find out cut length of triangular stirrup. Hope you really understand this session. I'll see you in the next.